The smarter way to invest is building wealth with strategy, not luck. Have you ever noticed how people sometimes confuse giving good advice with owning your decisions? What I mean is they give you a tip, it works out, and suddenly they act like they should have the final say in your future moves, failing to accept the fact that, just because their advice worked, does not mean it becomes a lifelong power of authority over your decision-making. Yes, we know that guidance is valuable, but your autonomy, which is your ability to choose for yourself, is priceless. In the world of money, finance, and investing, many investors, especially beginners, get caught in this trap. They hear a tip from a friend or a so-called market guru, they follow it, and boom, it pays off. From that moment onward, they feel obligated to take every single word from that person as gospel. Because they are novice, they do not yet understand that the market is not a place where one success guarantees the next. Markets shift, conditions change, and strategies must adapt. So, the purpose of this video is to help you understand that decision-making in investing is not about surrendering your judgment to whoever gave you a winning call the last time. It is about building a structured system that works consistently. Think of it like football. A really good striker like Cristiano Ronaldo or Lionel Messi might score a hat trick today, but that does not mean he will score in every single game. This is why, though coaches might have them in their team setup, but they do not just bank on one player forever. You need a full team, a balanced strategy, and the ability to adapt to changing conditions. In the financial plane, a person might have bought Bitcoin back in 2017 because a friend insisted it was the future. They held it through the wild swings and profited. Does this mean that all other coin suggestion from that same friend will be profitable? Of course not. This underscores the fact that relying blindly on one source of advice, no matter how good they seemed once, is risky, very risky. This is why I approach investing with discipline, research, and proven strategy. My investment portfolio management services are not about chasing one lucky strike. They are about building consistent, long-term results. My management service is made up of two key components. One, cryptocurrency investment portfolio management, where I research, analyze, and position funds to grow steadily, not just because of hype, but because of market data and risk management. Two, Naira domicile, fixed income fund management, structured for predictable growth, stability, and returns that beat traditional savings methods in Nigeria. The important thing to note is this: these services are designed for investors who want a system, not a gamble. Because over the past few years, my portfolio have delivered positive results year after year, even in volatile market conditions. That consistency comes from a tested process, not a one-off good call. When it comes to your financial future, remember this principle: advice can guide you, but strategy is what sustains you. Do not surrender your autonomy just because someone once helped you win. Because when you are managing your investment portfolio yourself, the key to building wealth is not blind loyalty. It is informed decision-making backed by a reliable system. In investing, it is not about who gave the best tip, it is about who helps you grow continuously, securely, and sustainably.